first thing you need to do is check your competition. Is your idea actually unique? And then once you've done that, think about your why. What is your purpose? And this has got to be emotional, because it's a long road to produce a product from start to finish. So you really have to know what your why is and why you really want to do this. Check out Simon Sinek, he's fantastic in that. Look on iTunes and you'll find his why video about his golden circles. That will help you a lot. Then, what problem are you actually solving? So you'll need this to put this into your application, and make sure that you're actually solving the problem and not a symptom of the problem. So there's some tips and things that you can look at. If you check out Mind Tools and look at 5 whys, that will help you to think about what you might do there. Then, who's your target market? Who is your real target market though? Make sure you've thought that through. For example, if you're making something for children, the one thing that you don't neglect is the parents. Because are the parents going to buy it? Are the children going to nag the parents to buy it? If the parents don't agree with it, will they buy it? Think about that and any other sub-market you might have. And then finally, what's your value proposition? What's the real benefit that your target market is going to get from this product? And if you've got those all wrapped up and defined, you should be good to go.